Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to change dark mode on Instagram, and all we have to do is to first head on over to our Instagram application, and then from here we are going to tap on our profile and then tap on the three lines, and from here we're going to tap on accessibility, and then as you can see you can tap on the dark mode, then you can tap on or we can tap on off, and that's how you can be able to put the Instagram application on light mode. If you want to put it on dark mode, you're just going to tap on the profile icon and then tap on the three lines. We're going to navigate on our settings and activity until we see accessibility. We're going to tap on it. We're going to tap on dark mode. We're going to tap on, and that's how you're going to be able to set it back to dark mode. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.